Hi everybody, my name is Muffin Lim and welcome to your very first Zoom tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how to download and install Zoom Crowd Meetings. Also, I'm gonna show you guys some function that we usually use on every meetings.
I will separate this into three parts. So for the part 1 is show you guys how to download and install the Zoom Crowd Meetings.
So first, open your google.com, then search for Zoom, download. Okay, then click on this one, Download Center Zoom. Then click on this download button. Then wait for the download to finish. After finish, just click it to open.
Second part, I will show you guys how to sign in to Zoom and the homepage function of Zoom. Okay, after you open the Zoom Cloud Meetings, this app, you will see like two buttons here. First is join a meeting and second one is about sign in. So for the first one, you click on join a meeting, then you will see enter the meeting ID or personal link. So the meeting ID is this one, like your friend or your lecturer send you. Enter this number, then over here you put your name, like me I put Muffin. Then you can set you want to connect the audio or you want to turn off the video like this. So example, like I key in this one, then I want to turn off my video, then I click join. Then it will ask for the passcode. If your lecturer or your friend they have set the passcode for the meeting, you just key in the passcode. Or you can click this one, join Zoom meeting with this link. You click on it, then just open the Zoom meeting. It will straight go to the next meeting lah. So this is how you open the meeting, join a meeting. Then for the second one is about the sign in. So you click on sign in, it will ask for the email and the password. So for me, I will sign in with my Google account. If you want to try Facebook account or SSO account also can. So I just click it, sign in with Google. Okay, open Zoom meeting. Now we have signed in already. Then here is your profile. Then you can check, here got menu bar with home, chat, meetings and contact. So we go to home first. So at the home, here is a new meeting. So when you click on this, you will start a meeting and you are the host. Or you want to set the person using your personal meeting ID to start a meeting also can. So for this button join, you click on it. Then it will ask for the meeting ID and the name. Then you can tick these two boxes. Then you click join to join a meeting. Then for the third one is about schedule. So for the schedule meeting, inside here is the first one is topic. So you can set a topic for your meeting. Then for the start date, maybe you can set tomorrow and then what time. Then the duration normally is 30 minutes, but if you want to set more than 40 minutes, you need to pay for the Zoom basic plan, because Zoom basic plan has a 40 time limit on it. So if you can upgrade, you try to upgrade, then it will go to unlimited group meetings. Then for the meeting ID, you can set generate automatically, or you can set to your personal meeting ID, because personal meeting ID, this number, this ID is fixed already. So when your friends or lecturer asking you to host a Zoom, then you can use the same ID lah. Then for the security is passcode, you can set by yourself. Then for the waiting room, this one only user admitted by the host can join the meeting. So when other people want to join your meeting, they need to stand by at the waiting room. Then for the video, you can turn on, off, participant also can check. Then when everything is done, click save. Then the button for this one is about share screen. So share screen, after you click, it will ask for the meeting ID. Like if your friend have host a meeting, then you just ask for the meeting ID, then you can join them and then share the screen with them. Then for the chat menu bar, this one, if you have add your friend into the contact or add your lecturer into contact, then you can chat with your friend like inbox. So for me, I don't have anything like any friends or any file inside here lah. So we cannot chat with friends. Then for the meeting, this one is for the meeting ID. Then your personal meeting ID you can check over here. You can start a meeting, start a host, or you can copy the invitation. Then you send the link or send the meeting ID to your friends. For edit, same like just now, just upgrade to Pro to change the duration of the meeting. Then everything, this one you can save. Then for the meeting, if you have set a meeting with record video, so you just click on recorded. So if you have record the meeting, you can check back the meeting inside here. Then for the contact, same like just now is same like chat lah. If you have staff friends, external file or apps inside here, you can chat. Or maybe you create a group, channel is like a group, then you can chat with your group friend like this.
For the third part, I will let my friend to show you how to host a meeting and the function to use when conduct a meeting.
I will show you how to host a meeting by using the Zoom. The first step is you need to sign in your account, which is enter your email and enter your password, or you can either sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account. You have signed in into your Zoom account. You need to find the symbol like this. It represents to create a new meeting room for Zoom. After you find it, you just click on it. The Zoom will automatically create a meeting room for you. And when it display this, you just choose join with computer audio. And this is your meeting room. Now I will brief you about all the functions inside the meeting room. The first icon is the microphone icon. It means that if you wanted to speak, you just click it on. And if you want to do some setting on the microphone, you just click at here. It have a small arrow at here, you just click on it and you can set the audio setting and other things. Same with the webcam. If you wanted to show your face during the meeting, you just click on it and the setting you can press at here, the small arrow here. You can do the video setting. Next, for the security icon, it means that you can do some setting for the participants to other participants, if they can share the screen or not, or they can check, or they can start the video or not. You can do all the setting at the security. Next, the participant. You can view all the participants inside the meeting room. And you also can invite people to join the meeting rooms. Next, the text box. If you have anything to ask, you can type directly at the chat box and you can choose you want to send it to everyone or send it to private. If you send it to everyone, it means that all the people inside the meeting room will see the message. You also can send some file at the chat box or the document item at the chat box. Next, the share screen. You can share your any screen that you want to share, and after you share the screen, all the participants will see your screen. After you confirm the screen that you want to share, you just click on it and then just click share, and all the participants will watch it. And this is the setting for the share screen. Next, the record icon. If in the future you want to watch back the video, then you should click on it to record. It will record the whole Zoom section. The next icon is reaction. This is the icon to let all the participants give the reaction. If one of the participants click raise hands, it means that maybe that participant have any question to ask, and the host will know that one of the participants is raise hand. Or you can click on other emoji. Want to end the meeting room, you just click at here, the red color button at here, just click on it, and then you just click on it, end meeting for all. End meeting for all, it means that all the participants inside once you click it, all the participants inside the Zoom meeting will close the Zoom. If you choose the leave meeting, it means that only you, the person, leave the meeting only. So now I choose end meeting for all. It means that all the people will close the Zoom. That's all for the Zoom. Thank you.